Let's make a farmhouse. Come on. Where is my house? Let's search. Wow, this is a house. So nice. Now where is a pig? Oh, it's a cute pig. Wow. Squirrel again. Wow. Let's make a sun. Yay, sun. Where is piglet? Oh, it's a piglet. So cute. Hen. Oh, it's a hen. It's a cow. C-O-W, cow. Crow. C-R-O-W, crow. It's a chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Sky. S-K-Y, sky. Bird. B-I-R-D, bird. Yay! Hello kids, let's make a night city. Let's add a tree. This is a tree. This is a star. Let's add a fox. This is a fox. Here is an owl on a tree. There is so cold. Let's add some fire. Yeah, this is a fire. Add some more tree. This is a tree. Penguin. Hey, moon is here. Hey, this is bear. Where is the fish? Let's add a fish. Let's add a fish in its pond. Yeah, I done it. Wow. Again an owl on a tree. Yay.